Good afternoon, Realtor Sonia Rankin here, and today we're at my open house in Milton, Florida. Check out this beautiful place, all brick, 2,046 square feet, and it is on a huge lot. Let's take a little look inside. So as soon as you enter, you are greeted with these beautiful tall ceilings. You've got your formal dining area. You've got a secondary office or dining area, whatever you choose to make it. Your beautiful living room with tall ceilings. As you come on down, let me get this camera flipped around so you can really see it. As you're coming down the hallway, you see this beautiful kitchen, and it's open where you can visit with those in the living area. You can hang out and chat while you're cooking a delicious meal. All steel appliances. Go straight across. How convenient. There is your utility room with your washer and dryer. This washer and dryer is included, and of course you get the refrigerator, the oven, the microwave. And here is your large master bedroom. Plenty of room for large end tables, whatever you want. You can probably fit 2 king-size beds in here. Here is your master bathroom here with his and hers walk-in closet. Separate commode area. You've got your separate shower, garden tub. By the way, as we continue down, you can keep everybody else down here away from the master. We have bedroom number 1, and these tenants are getting ready to move into their new home, so there are lots of containers, but you can still see yourself and see all the space here. Bedroom number 3. We'll call this bedroom number 2 since we started labeling them. And over here we have your guest bathroom. So this is a stunning home. The sellers are offering a credit of $5,000 toward the buyer's cost. A buyer can use it for whatever they see fit with an acceptable offer if they're a qualified buyer. And this place is lovely. We've just reduced the price. Here is your backyard, large covered patio. Beautiful little garden area. I mean, this is just a huge backyard, tall privacy fence. You can let the pets run out here, let the fur babies frolic. You can make this little garden area your own, but you've got plenty of room to plant new trees or plants or flowers, whatever you would like, and really make this place your own. There's also some pavers over here where you've got kind of an open patio where you can go ahead and grill, put the grill out there, put the smoker out there. But this home is located over in Milton, Florida. The address is 5587 Inspiration Street. The asking price is $373 for this house. And yeah, it's a beautiful place. 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Again, it's all brick. You've got a big lot. Come check it out. I'm having my open house here from 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. this Saturday, the 15th. I'm here now. Come check it out.